All right, folks, are we ready? Yeah, okay. So I don't know if you realize you're competing for a valuable prize, a $100 gift certificate. So woohoo, woohoo. Should we start with a warm-up question? What does a fish say when it hits a wall? Damn. What's the other fish say? Dumb bass. Oh, all right. So they get better from here. So you're all logged in, and we're going to start now. Here we go. Maybe. What kind of system violates the superposition principle? What kind of system violates the superposition principle? Discrete time system, passive system, nonlinear system, or linear time variant system?
This is but every question would have to click it.
Okay. Do you want to do that for me? Yeah. All right. You're playing. Great.
Yeah, those plants ones.
All right. The answer is nonlinear system. All right. Already, Randy moves into the lead. In system engineering, what is a stakeholder? What is a stakeholder? Any party affected by the system, only customers, the end users, the engineers. Any party affected by the system. Steve Dam moves into the lead. Which ocean is the largest? The Atlantic, the Pacific, the Arctic, or the Indian? The Pacific. Steve stays in the lead, followed by Sarah. Which planet is known as the red planet? Is it Venus, Saturn, Mars, or Jupiter? Answer is Mars. Hope everybody knew that one. And nothing changed. Which U.S. holiday is celebrated on the fourth Thursday in November? Is it Thanksgiving, Veterans Day, Independence Day, or Labor Day? And the answer is, of course, Thanksgiving, Turkey Day. And nothing changed too much there. Which company created the iPhone? Is it Microsoft, Apple, Google, or Samsung? And hopefully everybody got Apple. And no change. What is the currency of Japan? Is it the yen, the ringgit, the yuan, or the won? Yen, the ringgit, the yuan, or the won? All right, if you have a yen to go to Japan, that's the right answer. And no change. Which domain of MBSE focuses on managing design decisions over time? Is it system architecture, verification, validation, configuration management, or behavior modeling? So I understand at Mantech, you're going for bonuses here. So Mantech, I understand your bonuses are based on how well you do on the trivia. So. All right, the answer is configuration management, CM, everybody's favorite. All right, Sarah moves up. What kind of control system uses both current and past error to predict future error? Predictive control, integral control, proportional control, or feed-forward control? The answer is predictive control. Electrical engineer should have got that right. And no big change. Which matrix property is necessary for an inverse to exist? I don't think it means the movie The Matrix. Is it non-singular, orthogonal, diagonalizable, or skew symmetric? Answer is non-singular. Non-singular. Ooh, no big change there. In what year did the Titanic sink? Was it 1912, 1915, 1905, or 1920? Answer is 1912. So what do you get when you cross the Titanic with the Atlantic? About halfway. Oh. All right, John Gibb moves up. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Picasso, Leonardo da Vinci, Raphael, or Michelangelo? Michelangelo. I believe so. And his name's not Michelangelo. It's Michelangelo. And of course, the answer is Leonardo da Vinci. And no big change. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? Is it England, Germany, France, or Canada? And the answer is France. France. Our friends, the French. And no big change. Who discovered gravity by observing a falling apple? Was it Isaac Newton, Gregory Mendel, Albert Einstein, or Galileo? And of course, the answer is Isaac Newton. No big change. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located on? Is it South Africa, Australia, Africa, or Asia? And the answer is Africa. What does the Heisenberg uncertainty principle limit the simultaneous measurement of? What does the Heisenberg uncertainty principle limit the simultaneous measurement of? Is it position and momentum, charge and spin, mass and energy, or position and velocity? And survey says position and momentum. Ooh, a little bit of change there, a little bit of change. What is the Laplace transform of a unit step function? Steve must have some input here. Is it 1 over s, s squared, s, or 1 over s plus 1? The answer is 1 over s. We may see some movement here. Yeah, Bill Scheibel moves to the top. Way to go, Bill. What is the typical result of a modal analysis in structural engineering? Is it material fatigue, natural frequencies, shear force diagram, or thermal stress? The answer is natural frequency. All that resonance stuff. Ooh, a little bit of movement. Steve moved up. What is the purpose of a state machine in system modeling? I don't think that's an option. Measure system latency, model discrete event behavior, model continuous dynamics, or optimize performance. The more you drink, the better you'll get. Model discrete event behavior. And Steve moved up. And but closely followed by Randy. Which country has the most natural lakes? Geography question here. Russia, Finland, USA, or Canada? Who has the most natural lakes? Answer is Canada. Oh, Canada. And a little movement down there towards the bottom. What is the Shannon entropy used to? What is the Shannon entropy used to measure? Is it noise level, signal strength, data and redundancy, or information content? Information content. You remember the Shannon limit? Anybody remember that? Ooh, a little bit of movement. Andy Laud's moving up close. Near a tie between Steve and Randy. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Is it iron, diamond, gold, or granite? And the answer, of course, is diamond. And no real movement there. Which concept describes system behavior that cannot be predicted from individual components alone? Is it emergence, traceability, modularity, or cohesion? And the answer is emergence, emergent behavior. A little bit of movement, a lot of drop down. Which of these is not a formal system modeling language SysML diagram? Is it internal block diagram, activity diagram, swim lane diagram, or requirements diagram? What is not formal SysML diagram? The answer is swim lane diagram. No such thing. A little bit of movement. In computational complexity theory, what does P stand for in P versus NP? Is it primary input, polynomial time, permutable time, or probabilistic? The answer is polynomial time. Polynomial. Ooh, Randy took off on that one. Followed by Steve and John. Which programming language is known for its snake logo? Is it Python, Swift, C++, or Java? Shh. No shouting out the answer. And the answer is Java. No, Python. So, yeah. Which animal is the largest mammal in the world? Is it the giraffe, the hippopotamus, the blue whale, or an elephant? And the answer is, of course, the blue whale. Movement there. Which logic gate outputs true only when inputs differ? Only when inputs differ. Is it the NAND gate, the XOR gate, the AND, or the OR gate? Answer is XOR. Way back in your digital logic days. Ooh, a little bit of movement there. Randy's still comfortably in the lead. What's the capital of Canada? Capital of Canada. Is it A, Ottawa, B, Montreal, C, Vancouver, or D, Toronto? And the answer is Ottawa. Ottawa. Ooh, a little bit of movement there. Which artist is known for Starry Night? Is it Picasso, Da Vinci, Michelangelo, or Vincent van Gogh?
If you get kicked out, there's in the top right, there's a rejoin button. And I know it's happened to what, 4 people now. It's the Wi-Fi. Yeah, free Wi-Fi does that.
And the answer is the man with one ear, Vincent van Gogh. Ooh, one little change there. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Powerhouse of the cell. Is it the mitochondria, the Golgi bodies, the ribosome, or the nucleus? The cell powerhouse. Answer is the mitochondria. Ooh, and a lot moves up to number 2. In information theory, what does the source coding theorem establish? Limit of lossless compression, limit of noise correction, limit of data rate, or limit of encryption? I did not. Answer is limit of lossless compression. Ooh, and Steve moves up on that one. Randy's still comfortably ahead. What does HTTP stand for? Is it Hypertext Transfer Protocol, Hypertext Telecom Protocol, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or High-Tech Text Program? And the answer is C, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And no new movement at the top there. Randy's still way in the lead. What is the smallest prime number? Is it 5, 1, 2, or 3? Subjective? Uh-oh. Two, smallest prime number. Who was the 16th president of the United States? No Googling on this one. Was it Thomas Jefferson, George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, or Andrew Jackson? Answer is Abraham Lincoln, 16th President of the United States. Oh, and Sarah moved up. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Is it Thailand, South Korea, Japan, or China? And the answer, of course, is Japan. Japan, land of the rising sun. Who played Iron Man in the Marvel Cinematic Universe? Is that Mark Ruffalo, Robert Downey Jr., Chris Hemsworth, or Chris Evans? Shh. Ah, Tony Stark. Tony Stark is not an option. One of the few names in Marvel that's not alliterative. And the answer, of course, is Robert Downey Jr., who will also play Doctor Doom in the upcoming Fantastic Four. Which numerical method is commonly used for solving systems of nonlinear equations? Is it Runge-Kutta, Euler's method, Gauss-Seidel, or Newton-Raphson? Systems of nonlinear equations. I do not. There's probably a way to tell, but I can't tell. Answer is Newton-Raphson. Ooh, and Andrew moved up. What is the name of the galaxy we live in? Is it the Sombrero Galaxy, the Whirlpool Galaxy, the Milky Way Galaxy, or the Andromeda Galaxy? Or is it a galaxy far, far away? All right, and though for those of you lost, we are in fact in the Milky Way Galaxy, not the Snickers Galaxy. All right, John moved up a bit. What gas do humans exhale? Is it carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, or hydrogen? And of course, we exhale carbon dioxide, CO2. Who is the author of the Harry Potter series? Is it J.K. Rowling, J.R.R. Tolkien, Susan Collins, or Stephen King? And the answer is J.K. Rowling. And no movement on that one. What is the longest river in the world? Is it the Yangtze, the Amazon, the Mississippi, or the Nile? And the answer is the Nile. Ooh, a little bit of movement there. In MBSE, what does SysML stand for? Is it system modeling logic, system metric layer, system modeling language, or system module language? All right, system modeling language. Everybody here should have got that one. Oh, one movement there. Which famous document was signed in 1776? Was it the Declaration of Independence, the Articles of Confederation, the Constitution, or the Bill of Rights? And the answer is Declaration of Independence. Sarah moved up one. What is the frequency domain equivalent of convolution in time domain? Somebody likes control theory, whoever they did these questions here. Is it division, addition, differentiation, or multiplication? Frequency domain equivalent of convolution in time domain. This isn't your standard bar trivia, right? The answer is multiplication. Which system engineering document typically defines external interfaces? Is it the interface control document, the test plan, the system design document, or the system requirements specification? And the answer is the ICD, interface control document, everybody's favorite document. And a little bit of movement there. What year did World War II end? 1950, 1945, 1942, or 1939? And the answer is 1945. 1945. Which of the following is a non-deterministic algorithm often used in optimization? Is it Newton's method, linear regression, genetic algorithm, or a gradient descent? Non-deterministic algorithm. And the answer is a genetic algorithm. But it's non-deterministic. Ooh, a little bit of movement down there. What is the primary goal of model-based system engineering? It's kind of all why we're here. Everybody should get this right. Centralized and consistent system modeling, requirements documentation, model-free system integration, or simulation-only development. Or have fun playing trivia. That's another thing. And we hope it's centralized and consistent modeling. Yay. Who wrote To Kill a Mockingbird? Flashing back to high school literature class. Was it Ernest Hemingway, Harper Lee, J.K. Rowling, or Mark Twain? And the answer is the elusive Harper Lee. In system engineering, what does MBSE stand for? The model-based software engineering, model-based system engineering, model-built system engineering, or model-balanced system environment? Yeah, the times matter. No, how quickly you answer matters. In on it, it's a fact. But and everybody should have got that right. How many planets are in the solar system? Ooh. This one could be controversial. Is it 8, 9, 7, or 10? This could be controversial. This could lead to some fisticuffs here. We'll see. How many planets? And the answer is 8. 8. Pluto is not a planet. It's not in the ecliptic plane. It's highly elliptical. It doesn't play well with the other planets. It just doesn't belong. Sorry. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius or centigrade if you prefer? Is it 90? Is it 110? Is it 95? Or is it 100? Celsius, not Rankine. Celsius, not Kelvin. And of course, the answer is 100. And everybody knows what happened to that chemist who froze himself to absolute zero, right? He's okay now. What year did the Berlin Wall fall? (1989, 1991, 1995, or 1985? Mr. Gorbachev, tear down that wall. The answer is 1989. Show of hands, who was not born yet? Scary. What is the main language spoken in Brazil? Is it A, Portuguese, B, Spanish, C, English, or D, French? Sorry? And the answer is Portuguese. More people speak Portuguese in Brazil than in Portugal. Which of the following standards is central to MBSE methodology? Is it ISO 14001, ISO 9001, IEEE 802.11, or ISO 15288? And the answer is ISO 15288, which you all have memorized, I'm sure. In which U.S. state is the Grand Canyon located? Is it Colorado, Nevada, Arizona, or Utah? Where is the Grand Canyon? Answer is Arizona. Arizona. Movement there. Which organ pumps blood through the body? The heart, the lungs, the liver, or the stomach? Is there something that tells us which question? I'm just here. Okay, can't tell. Fine. That's fine. And the answer, of course, is the heart. Have a heart. If I only had a heart. Which element has the chemical symbol O? Is it iron, gold, oxygen, or osmium? Yeah. You'd think it would give you a tight countdown or something. I think it would give you like a countdown or something. And the answer, of course, is oxygen. Yeah, guess we'll press on. What is the capital city of Australia? Is it Canberra, Melbourne, Brisbane, or Sydney? Canberra, Melbourne, Brisbane, or Sydney? It's pronounced Melbourne, Canberra, Brisbane. And the answer is Canberra, not Canberra, Canberra. I can't tell. Who sang Thriller? Was it Madonna, Prince, Stevie Wonder, or Michael Jackson? Michael Jackson, Jackson 5. A little bit of movement there. In control theory, what does a pole in the right half plane indicate? In control theory, what does a pole in the right half plane indicate? Is it oscillation, critical damping, stability, or instability? Somebody really likes control theory, whoever did come up with these questions. I don't know. That's Steve. There's a joke about this, but I don't remember it all. And the answer is instability. There's a joke about, I think it was Lithuanians and Polish people in a plane, and they're all on the right side, and it got unstable. They were on the right side of the plane. Yeah. All right, no real movement there. Which of the following is a principle of lean system engineering? Is it add redundancy, deliver value early, maximize documentation, or optimize every subcomponent?
Randy got kicked out.
Yeah.
And he had like a 900-point lead.
Oh, okay. I think we're going to call it.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Because there's no way. I mean,
Yeah.
no.
We'll do one more. How about that?
Yeah.
Final.
I'll just tell him.
And the answer is deliver value early. So we had technical difficulty where Randy was kicked out and he was 1,000 points ahead of everyone. So you can't win anyway. All right. I don't know how many we got left. So Sarah's. Sarah.
Still alive? Wait. Let's.
She's number 2.
You can't win. Okay.
But she's 200 points ahead.
Yeah, show goes on. I mean, Sarah's not too much because I know Walter's alive.
All right.
This is only a 200-point deficit.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the capital of France? France. Is it Berlin, Rome, Paris, or Madrid? All right, Sarah's hanging there in the lead. See if she can maintain it. The answer is Paris. Paris. What is the square root of 144? What is the square root of 144? Is it 11, 14, 12, or 10? No calculators allowed. Slide rules are allowed. If anybody here knows how to find a square root on a calculator, I will buy them, or on a slide rule, I will buy them a beer. Who's under the age of 30? And the answer is 12. And what do you get when you put root beer into a square glass? You get beer. Oh, all right. Which mathematical technique is often used in Kalman filtering? Is it gradient descent, maximum likelihood, Bayesian estimation, or Fourier analysis? Kalman filtering. Kalman filter being invented by the Air Force Research Lab back in the 1950s. And the answer is Bayesian estimation. And, ooh, well, Randy's still ahead. So Sarah's still ahead of Andrew. In thermodynamics, what does the Gibbs free energy indicate? Is it spontaneity of a process, entropy loss, work potential at constant volume, or temperature deviation? Gibbs free energy. Answer is spontaneity of a process based on the Gibbs free energy. And Sarah's still way up there. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Is it AG, AU, FE, or PB? All the glitters. And the answer is AU. AU. And if you bought gold about a year ago, you were very happy. Who directed Jurassic Park? I assume that's Jurassic Park 1. Was it James Cameron, George Lucas, Steven Spielberg, or Peter Jackson? Jurassic Park. Based on a novel by Michael Crichton. And it is Steven Spielberg. And Sarah's still comfortably in the lead, followed by Andrew. Which famous physicist developed the theory of relativity? Was it Nikola Tesla, Stephen Hawking, Isaac Newton, or Albert Einstein? And of course, Albert Einstein in his spare time while working at the patent office. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Plants absorb what from the atmosphere? Hydrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, or nitrogen? You click the wrong button again? Trying to go too fast? And of course, the answer is good old CO2. All right, Randy Ellen won. So Sarah, yay, Sarah. Would you give a speech?
Thank you, Randy.
All right. Thank you for participating. Hope you had fun. How to make that stop. All right. Thanks everybody for participating. Yay. So, Randy. Oh, that was fun. Anything to say?
Well, thank you all so much. It was a good time. Remember, tomorrow morning, come by 9. The members' meeting is very important. So we really need all of you there. Thanks.